Is it the right time to buy or sell the QQQ ETF? Welcome back. In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into the QQQ ETF. We previously shared an initial report on our website on Wednesday, December 20th, 2023. And now, we're excited to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest analysis. Staying updated is crucial when it comes to making informed investment decisions. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. By leveraging the power of artificial intelligence, you'll gain access to free price predictions and in-depth analysis for 25,000 companies worldwide. Don't miss out on this incredible resource. Please remember that the information provided in this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since December 1, 2023, our system has identified QQQ as a strong buy candidate, giving it a score of 1.28. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has shown a promising gain of 3.37%. And that's not all. On average, it has delivered a daily return of 0.24% since it was categorized as a buy candidate. In the short term, the ETF is experiencing a strong upward trend. This presents a potential opportunity for short-term traders to sell, as the price is likely to react and move towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the ETF breaks above the top trend line at $409.97, it may indicate an even stronger rate of rise. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected 14.27% change in the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return between 6.18% and 16.23%. For the 12-month trend, there is a projected 40.9% change over the next year. This indicates a potential return between 26.45% and 43.19%. In terms of price, this translates to a range of $509.68 to $577.18 after 1 year. In our latest update for QQQ, we have an important headline: Red Day on Wednesday for QQQ. On the last day, which was Wednesday, the QQQ ETF price experienced a decrease of -1.49%. It went from $409.16 to $403.08. Throughout the trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 1.88%, reaching a low of $402.90 and a high of $410.47. It's worth noting that the price has been rising in 8 out of the last 10 days and has increased by 4.68% over the past 2 weeks. Even though the volume of shares traded increased by 18 million on the last day, this happened alongside falling prices. This could be an early warning sign and may slightly increase the risk over the next few days. In total, approximately $21.28 billion worth of shares, totaling 53 million, were bought and sold. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price the ETF reached was $410.47, while the lowest was $259.73. Presently, the price is 1.8%, or $7.39, below the 52-week high of $410.47. It's important to note that this is also the all-time high for the ETF. Let's take a look at the signals for QQQ. The QQQ ETF is showing a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. This means that even though the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal for the ETF, giving a positive forecast for the stock. If the ETF continues to gain, it will face resistance from the short-term moving average at around $404.35. On the other hand, if it falls, it will find support from the long-term average at around $387.02. Keep an eye out for a breakup through the short-term average, as it will indicate a buy signal. Similarly, a breakdown through the long-term average will send a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. However, there have also been some negative signals issued that may influence the near short-term development. On Tuesday, December 19, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a minus 1.49% decrease so far. It is expected to fall further until a new bottom pivot is found. Yesterday, volume rose on falling prices, which could be an early warning sign. Therefore, it is important to closely monitor the ETF. Let's explore some other interesting signals. The moving average convergence-divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots suggest a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands show a buy signal 2 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 35 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 32 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average suggests a buy signal 35 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a buy signal 34 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 21 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for the QQQ ETF. When looking at the downside, the ETF has support levels just below today's level at $364.70 and $359.97, based on accumulated volume. It's important to note that there is a natural risk involved and an ETF is testing a support level. If the support level is broken, the ETF may fall to the next support level. In the case of QQQ, the next support levels from accumulated volume would be at $364.70, $359.97, and $343.66. QQQ is generally traded at a good volume, and its daily changes are usually minor, resulting in low risk. Over the last day, the ETF had a price range of $7.57, 1.88%, between its high and low points. Looking at the past week, the ETF has shown a daily average volatility of 1.08%. Before we discuss the potential good trading levels for QQQ, let's first go over some important fundamental data. One of the key metrics to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio reflects the current share price of a company in relation to its per-share earnings. A lower PE ratio may indicate that there is not much optimism about the company's future or that the stock is undervalued, which could present a buying opportunity. Today, let's dive into some potential day trading levels for the QQQ. If we see an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ sits at $403.39. If you're not currently holding any shares, it might be wise to wait until this level is surpassed before entering a position. However, if you're already invested in the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ faces its first support level at $364.70. If this support level holds, it could serve as a great entry point, as we anticipate a potential rebound. We recommend setting the stop loss at $390.16, representing a decrease of 3.2%. This particular ETF exhibits low daily movements, resulting in a lower risk profile. Furthermore, a sell signal was detected from a pivot top just 1 day ago. Is the QQQ ETF a good investment? Based on several short-term signals and a positive overall trend, it appears that the current level of the QQQ ETF may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for the QQQ ETF to perform well in the short term. Our analysis of the volatility and movements from the last trading day suggests that the current price is undervalued. Looking ahead to Thursday, December 21st, we anticipate the QQQ ETF to open up $2.40 and begin trading at $405.48. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Keep in mind that StockInvest.us should not be your sole basis for investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we're taking a closer look at the current state of the stock market. We value your opinion, so please share your thoughts in the comments below. What are your predictions for the ETF? We appreciate your support, so remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a successful trading day ahead and a beautiful day overall. Thank you for being a part of our Stock Invest community.